Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. So, take a look at this versus this. Quite a difference, isn't it? Of course, I'm talking about gas struts. So, in this video, I will be adding a couple of gas struts to my Mark IV Mondeo's bonnet. Now, I am amazed that still a lot of modern cars don't have gas struts to keep the bonnet up, like my Nissan, or even the Mark 8 Golf. I mean, the 7th Golf had gas struts. What the heck, Volkswagen? Not only gas struts help you to open the bonnet and to keep it up, but it also gives you a feeling of a good quality product. Now, you can't just add any gas struts to your car's bonnet. It does take a bit of tinkering and adjusting to make them fit. Now, in this case, I have bought a special pair of gas struts that supposedly fit a Mark IV Mondeo. Will it work? I don't know. There's only one way to find out. So, what do we have here? Alright, some bolts and whatnot. And I believe those are the springs themselves. And there's also a manual. Ooh. Okay, so step number one would be to remove this bolt and add one of these. Okay, but now I wonder. It sits quite high. I mean, won't it hit? Huh. Let's try out. Huh. Hard to tell. Well, it does close. Oh, not sure if you can see that, but there is a mark here. So it is touching it. But I don't think that's too bad. Well, I suppose let's continue and see what happens. Alright, so I've done the other side as well. Now both are good, but seriously, do they have to sit so high? Can't they be lower? Okay, step number 2. Okay, I think it's more like step 1, part 2. And the quality there is so bad. But I think these little things need to go in there now. Okay. Now this washer now sits even higher. I don't know about this. Okay, now step number 2. I think it will involve this. What am I supposed to do with that thing? So there's an image here below, but that's... I don't think that's from a Mondeo. Well, at least not Mark IV. Okay, I think I'm supposed to... Okay, I think I know. We'll need to remove this. This shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Wow! So many dead flies! So if you pay some attention to this first picture, you can see that I'm supposed to stick this thing in that hole, and it's supposed to come out right there. But then you look at the next picture, and you can see that actually it's supposed to end up here. Not here, but here. Not there, but there. And that makes a lot more sense than there, because when I close the bonnet, this hole will sit somewhere here. And there's not enough distance for the gas spring. So I wonder, how does that work? So yeah, after moving it back and forth for, I don't know, a couple of minutes, it's finally there where it's supposed to be. I seriously need a smaller tripod. Alrighty. If I screw this up, that thing there will be stuck forever. Because when I screw this screw in, I'm supposed to pull this thing out, and that thing stays in place. Whatever. Should come out. But it does. Now the same on that side. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'm still worried about this washer right there. I'm gonna try something else. Oh no, it's not touching the bonnet, because I can press it in. Nice. All right, the moment of truth. That's one end. Okay, so first I think I'll put that thing back on, because I have a feeling this is going to be a pain in the rear. Alright, so this is how it looks now. See those things pointing out. I added the second strut as well, and here you can see my problem. It doesn't go all the way, so the bonnet will be sitting a bit lower. But that's okay, I suppose. Alright. Hey, that's number one. And it's actually standing. That's cool. I think that's it. Cool. And this is how it looks. Now I wonder what happens if I close it. Oh wow. Let's open it. Awesome. Nice. That sound or cracking you might be hearing, that's coming from this little thing, so it's nothing related to these struts. How awesome is that? I could do this all day. Awesome. So, this is how you install gas struts for the bonnet on a Mark IV Mondeo. I must say, I'm very pleased with the results. Although the manual was a bit confusing, especially this part right here. But I mean, with some common sense, it's very doable. Cool. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye. I so love this. I could do this all day, honestly.